Modify array data within indexes. Unlike strings, the entries of arrays are mutable and can be changed freely. Okay, so yeah, alright, yeah. So strings can't be, but if it's in an array, it can be changed. So the example it gives you there is you can completely take things out of an array and change the actual first value, second value, third value if you wanted to. So note, there shouldn't be any spaces between the array name, square brackets. Okay. So it says modify the data stored in index 0 of my array to the value of 45. So we have to change this value. So we want to do this value of the first one. So that, and you want it to now equal 45. So now it should say 45, 64, 99. Onwards and upwards.